4th of July, buddy. And happy Shark Week. Nice shirt.
Yeah, this is
Everybody's all dressed in red, white, and blue. Let me see. Harper Doodle. Nice.
I'm the only one.
Get out there right now.
We are near Monroeville, Alabama today. We're going to have a good old-fashioned Southern Independence Day celebration.
Old-fashioned spanking.
Came up from Pensacola yesterday. We drove from Pensacola to about here between Monroeville and Evergreen. So that's where we are today. Castleberry, Alabama. Yeah. Sure. Of course you can bring your Barbies. Watch out, Ben. Cars. I don't know. What is it, babe? Yeah.
Look at that.
Hey, bud. So high? I don't know. I bet they have flooding here. Let's see.
Girls can stand in line. Don't they all look lovely today? And the mayor is here.
Well, it's my pleasure to come here and be in the company of all these beautiful young ladies.
My name is Jasmine Buller. I'm in kindergarten at Fountain Cultures.
Right foot now. Right foot now, yo. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out.
Pinky.
Contest. That's Miss Penelope.
I didn't do it. I tipped the watermelon.
What are going through your thoughts right now before this big watermelon eating contest?
Raise your hand if you're ready.
Are you ready? Raise your hand if you're ready.
Watermelon contest is sponsored by Darby's Red and White.
3, 2, on one bite.
Eat that watermelon!
Yeah. Yeah, girl. Come on, yeah, Penny. You're an animal. Penny, you're on fire. Keep going, Harper. You got it, baby. You got it, Harper. You can do it. 6. Awesome, honey. Keep going. There you go, Penny. Good choice. Hurry up, boo. 4. Good job, Harper. Getting into the shower. Covered in watermelon.
Try to eat as many as you
The
can.
goal is to eat as much as you can until they say no.
But I don't know how much there is.
Just eat all you can. When you run out, they'll give you more.
Gotta eat it all.
Go, 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 go. Yeah, buddy. Come on, man. Use that eating ability. Come on, hungry boy. You got this, Chesapeake.
Come on, Chesapeake.
You were born for this.
You were born hungry, child. Eat, eat, eat. I want to enjoy it. You can enjoy it afterwards if you win. Come on, kid.
Yeah, bud. Here's another one. Get it. Keep going until timer's up.
I didn't get to enjoy it, so I don't even know what to do.
Well, now you can enjoy the rest of that one. Just get in line. Take your shoes off, get in line. You can do it, buddy. Stay on. You're good. You're good. Go! Come on, Penny. Woo! Yes!
It goes way faster. Mommy, put your other hand on. It's going to be hard to do. Way faster. Mommy, put your other hand on.
Stay on, don't fall, stay on.
Daddy, use two hands.
That's how you do it in the real world.
Real world? Real world don't have handles.
You gotta keep one hand on. You gotta stay on for 8 seconds.
Oh! You stayed on longer than 8.
Woo! Good Kate. Woo!